Last moment alone with the R1 sticker that said Matthew Woods, motorcycle, do not sit. Not my motorcycle. Well, it currently still is. I haven't signed over the title yet, so this is still technically my bike, which means I can do whatever I want with it. Kidding, Hunter, kidding. Not doing that anymore. Dude, I hate that, like, I have to look at it. Like, it sucks, because I'm going to miss this bike a lot. Truly. Like, this is one of my favorite bikes of all time, but I'm gonna miss it, man. I mean, it's so aggressive. I wanted one of these bikes for so long. It was one of my dream bikes back when I had my ZX6R. Back when I had my first bike, my FC6. When I got one of these bikes, I've wanted the R1 so bad. I would watch videos on it. I remember sitting in one of my college courses, literally like 3 semesters ago. While in class, I was looking at videos about this bike. I was like pricing it on Yamaha's site, which, I mean, there's no point because there's no like accessories that you can buy through Yamaha, yada, yada, yada. Dreaming about this bike, and I never could have imagined within a year that I would have gotten this bike. Like literally a year ago, I was sitting in class looking at videos about this bike, dreaming that I would one day have it. And within a year, I got it somehow because of TikTok and its magic. And now I'm on the other end of the cycle where I'm moving on to bigger and better things, but it just sucks to let your dream go. I wish the little IMK in me wants me to keep it forever and just hold on to all my bikes and like never sell them. But I know that I would never ride this bike. I'm going to pick the V4 over it every time. So I'm not going to become a motorcycle collector. This is my defiant moment in fighting that urge to keep my bikes forever and ever and let it go to someone who's going to appreciate it a lot more than me. Today, I'm letting go of my dream to let Hunter live out his. I'm not going to start it because when I get a new bike, I hate it when other people start my bike, so I'm just gonna let it wait and sit for Hunter. It's got fresh oil, fresh fluids, fresh tires, freshly lubed chain. I took such good care of this bike, and I'm sorry to let you go. Yeah. My final love letter.
That's crazy. Love letter you too. I don't like what they did with the R7.
You don't like what they did with the R7?
No.
I heard a theory about that. I heard the conspiracy theory is they didn't actually kill the R6 because of environmental protections. Well, that's part of the reason, but it's not the sole reason why they killed it. They killed it because they weren't making any money in the R6. The R7 is way more profitable because every time you add a cylinder to an engine, it increases the price like exponentially. Like it's twice as expensive to make an R6 as compared to an R7. The R7 is also uses a steel frame as opposed to aluminum. It was just way cheaper for them to make. And they're selling it for 10 grand. Like they're selling it for only a little bit less than what the R6 costs. So like their profit margin on the R7 is way more. And they're selling them like hotcakes.
That's true.
But that's what I'm saying. This bike costs like 18 grand MSRP. Not to mention like all the taxes, titles, fees, all that. This bike's like 21,000 out the door for a brand new one. It kind of starts to make sense of why they still keep this bike around as opposed to the R6, which was also an inline 4, but only cost like 12 grand.
Yeah.
So the profit margin on the R6 just wasn't there. Again, I'm sorry to everybody who's disappointed to watch this go, but such is life, man. You already know. I got you.
No way. Dude, I'm so hyped.
I figured you're going to be riding a lot this year. It's going to be nice to have you at a decent volume. And now you can actually record yourself too. So
that's right. Let's go, dude. 2 cameras in one.
Yeah.
Let's go, bro.
It's not mine anymore.
I know.
I signed over the title. It's all his though.
Sad day.
Sad. Yeah, no. I mean, I'm a little...
Let's go, baby.
How are you?
Good. What's up, bro? What are you doing here?
Long time no see, dude. What am I doing here? What are you doing here from South Carolina?
Bro, it's so cold down here. I'm freezing.
I bet you are. I didn't think it was going to be snowing that hard either.
I know. You can't have that here when I told you about that.
I know. This dude just bought this. Oh, my God, bro. He was tweaking, bro. He loved it.
Don't play with me.
Damn, man.
Dude, it feels very similar. It feels more comfortable than an R6. To
It is way more comfortable than an R6. Never mind, bro. I don't want to sell it anymore.
What are you talking about? I'll take it.
It's going to a good home, bro. I'm okay with it.
So just pretty much like you said, just the full titanium exhaust. I can start it, yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, it's your bike, bro. You want to start it? I didn't start it. It's a cold start, so.
Yeah, let me get
Here, I got it, bro. You want a sideways or a vertical?
Bro, it's so much louder in person, bro. I thought about doing like a slip-on, but bro.
This is carbon monoxide.
Broke it, man. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick, and then we can make a quick video.
Go for it. Bathrooms in the hallway to the left. I don't know what to do about this. Oh, man, it does smell like fucking shit. I'm just gonna leave it over here for now.
Damn, bro. I want to hear the revs on it.
I'll start it up again. I can start it up again for the video now.
Take it around the parking lot.
No, bro. I'm gonna put the tire gonna slip out.
Nah, you're good. Take it slow, bro.
You just fucking slides on ice across the entire parking lot.
Before it keeps going down.
Yeah, but I could have raced my V4 against it.
So you said it's tuned or?
Yeah, it's tuned.
Okay.
No, for sure. Once you ride it, you'll know it's definitely tuned. Full titanium from the front to the back. It's not mine anymore.
Really?
Nope, it's going to him.
This guy.
Congratulations.
Thank you, man. Thank you. First leader bike too. Do they care if I start it up again? One more time.
If we have the door open, yeah.
Oh, you can open it. Yeah.
From Hunter's point of view, he's going to be uploading this video to his channel, so if you want to see me standing around like a doofus, then it's totally your prerogative.
Don't even look at me. My pants are brown.
That way the exhaust gets flung out that way into the snow.
Look at that.
That's
man.
good.
Dude, it's so clean, man.
I know, bro. How many miles on this tire?
Man, not even like
It's brand new. That's just condensation.
How long has the vent since you started her up?
What?
How long has the vent since you started her up?
When I filmed that last video.
Did you sell it?
Yeah. No, it's his now.
I'm not always here.
We just had this fixed yesterday. Oh, come on.
It does this sometimes. Hold on. Sometimes you have to hold this down. Where's Jason?
You broke it?
Oh,
I think you got to get one of those guys.
wait, Hunter. Move back a little bit. I think it's.
Oh,
It wouldn't close.
scared me. I was like, we just spent $600.
Traction control, flight control, launch control, quick shifter, and that basically it lets you get a little bit up. But I know you wheelie, so you can turn that off. You have to turn it off if you want to wheelie.
Yeah, because I've had it on my R6 where you get up and it cut it out.
Yeah, I don't know. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do.
I'll fill it out first. I'll probably keep it in B for a little bit.
Yeah, brights, whatever. Just don't kill yourself, please. Take care of yourself on this, please, and
100%.
take good care of her. That's all.
Appreciate it, bro. Let me give you the cash real quick.
Yeah, let's do that. And just like that, we have the bike completely strapped down. Kind of skipped a lot here. It was just kind of boring stuff, stressful, trying to get this bike strapped down. I know, I'm coming. Hold on. This is the last time we're ever going to see this bike on the channel, so thank you guys so much for sticking through this, believing in me, because trust me, it's only going to get better. Farewell. What's up, dude?
What's going on, dude?
Yeah, so on the way home, it looks like the R1's straps, like the straps that it was hooked down to, snapped, and the R1 unfortunately fell on its side. So it was a really unfortunate start to Hunter's R1 journey, but hopefully it only gets better than here. It sucks that it had to end like this, but if you guys want to see what else is going to happen to the R1, make sure you stick around on his page because it's only going to get better.